the table for figure 5. Okay, so you have to observe the pattern here. Okay, this is a number pattern question. Okay, so for circles, number of circles is +3, +3, and +3. So the difference is the same throughout, right?
Yeah.
They are all +3, right? So therefore the next one will be +3, right? From 14. So therefore you get 17, right? Then for the below one, which is number of triangles, what you have is you have 4, 12. So what do you get? So you have +8, right?
Yeah.
And over here is +12, right?
Yeah.
Then over here is +16, right? So what do you observe here? So over here will be +4, right?
Yes.
How come you keep dropping now? Okay. So and then from +12 to 16 is +4, right? So can you see? Okay, this is the first level difference. Okay, 第一层. Okay, this is the second level difference. 第二层. So only the second level difference, they are the same, which is +4 for the second level. Okay, so therefore how do you get this figure 5 is you have to go to the second level +4, right? Therefore the first level difference is actually +20. Okay, for your 40 to go to the figure 5, so 40 plus 20 is 60. Does it make sense? Does it make sense now?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the so only the second level difference is the same. Okay, for number of triangles. Okay, for number of circles, maybe I use a different highlighter. For number of circles, the first level difference is already +3. Okay, right? Okay, so that's how you get 17 and 60. Next, how many circles are there in figure 39? Okay, so how many circles? So for circles, you can use the formula. The formula is actually first number plus the difference times n minus 1. And in this case, the n is the figure number. Right? And in this case, for part B, the figure number is 39, right? So therefore, I put the 39 in. And the difference, can you see the difference? They are the same throughout. It's +3, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's +3 throughout. So I need to put +3. Not 3, not just 3, it's +3. And the first number is 5, right?
Yes.
So I put it in. So very easy if you use the formula. Then after that, you just solve this accordingly. So this is 38. So you use your calculator, and what you get? 11. Okay, 119. Okay, so that's the answer for B. But for C is, so if you look at C, right? C is how many triangles. So basically, you need to look at the triangles. You need to look at the triangles, right? And for the triangles, you have a problem. What's the problem here? Yes, the first level is +8, +12, +16, +20, right? And only the second level is +4, +4, +4, right? So therefore, can I ask, can you use the formula for part C or not?
Cannot.
Why not?
Because have two different numbers.
Correct.
Two different.
Because you cannot use this formula. Because your difference is not the same throughout for the first level, right? Can you see the difference is +8, +12, +16, +20. So you don't have the same difference throughout for the first level. So you are not sure which difference to put in.
Yes.
Right? You cannot tell me, hey, first number is 4, the difference is 8, and then figure 60. Then the other student will say, hey, I thought the difference is not only plus 8. I thought the difference can be plus 16. Can I take 16? Then another student says, hey, I also see the difference is plus 20. So can I take plus 20? Do you see the problem here?
Yes.
3 different students, 3 different answers. Right? Because they take difference, right?
Yeah.
So this is the problem. You cannot use this formula to solve number of triangles because the difference is not the same for the first level, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you cannot use this. Then how? If I cannot use this, then how? Then you must use another approach. 另外一个方法. Okay? So what you see here is, okay, you see 4, 12, 24 and 40. So what you see here is the first number is 4, the second number is 12. So what you have is 4 is equal to what? 4 is equal to what? Okay, you can see 4 is equal to 4 times 1, right? Or you can see it as 2 times 2, right? So 12 is equal to 4 times 2, right? Or you can see it as 2 times 6, right?
Yeah.
Right? Then for the third one is 24, and then the fourth one is the fourth one is 40. Then this fifth one is 60. Okay, so this is 4 times 6, right? Or you see it as 2 times 12. Then this is 4 times 10, or you can see it's 2 times 20. Then this is 4 times 15, or you see this as a 2 times 30, right? If you continue, okay, if you continue, or if you don't continue, what do you see? Do you see any pattern or not yet? I don't think you see any pattern. Okay, I don't think you see any pattern. Okay, so if you don't see any pattern, so this approach don't work. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you get a question, right? Okay, by the way, this question is new to me as well. I have not done this paper before, so this question is new to me. I'm teaching you how you should approach the question. 你应该怎么面对新的答题 ？OK， 这个题目也是很新，对于我来说也是很新，第一次看到。So after doing all this, I still don't see the pattern. So how? That means you shouldn't see it this way. Okay? 你不应该这么看。你应该怎么看呢？ You should see it this way then. Okay. You know the second level is always plus 4, right?
Yes.
So what this means is this 4 plus the 8, this is plus the 12. So plus 12 is, okay, so this one will be 4 plus 4, right? This one will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? So this one will be plus 16, so which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, actually I start to see the pattern already. So what's the pattern? So the first number plus 4 times 2, because 4 plus 4 is 4 times 2. Then if you want to get to this, 4 times 3. Then below is 4 times 4. Then of course from here to here is plus 20, so it's 4 times 5. Okay? So what you observe is, if you want to go to the second number, you have to 4 times 2. Then if you want to go to the third number, okay, that will be the second number. From here, you plus the 4 times 3. So you want to go to fourth number, then you times the 4. You go to the fifth number, you times the 5. Okay? Okay? So therefore, if I tidy this up a little bit, let me erase this. So what you're going to see is this. So if you want to go to the sixth number, so you know that it's the fifth number, fifth number, you have to plus the 4 times 6. So the 7 number will be the sixth number plus the 4 times 7. Okay?
Okay.
So if you want to go to the 60 figure, it will be the 59 plus the 4 times 60. Because the figure number and this times is the same. Okay? So your job is to figure out what's the 59th number, then plus the 460. Okay? Okay? So for the second number, is 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2. That will give you the second number. For the third number will be 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3. For the fourth number will be 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times 4.
It's 9:30.
Okay? Okay? So can you see? So the pattern is, if you want to get the 60 figure, that will be 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times 60. So your job is to figure out this. And by the way, you are not going to use your calculator and punch, right? Are you going to punch 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3 then plus 4 times 6 until 4 times 60? You can, but it's a waste of time. You can, but it's a waste of time. So how do you do this question? If you don't want to do it by using your calculator. Is this P6 or P5, this paper? Okay, this is P5. Okay, but never mind. So seems like this paper, I mean this question is a bit like P6. So you're going to do until 4 times 60. Yes. So the first way to do it is by calculator. But you're going to waste your time, right? The second approach is, can you see you have 4 throughout?
Yeah.
So what you can do here is you take out the 4 and then you just 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus until 60. Okay? So how do you get the sum of 1 to 60? Okay? Is the first number plus the last number, okay, divided by the times the how many numbers are there. So from 1 to 60, the number of numbers is 60. Then you divide by 2. Then you times 4. So you cancel this. So you get the 120 because times 61. Can you help me out with the calculator? So that's the answer. Seven?
20.
Cannot be. 120 times 61. Seven two zero one, is it? 7320. Okay. 7320. So that's the correct answer. Okay?
Okay.
So that's how you get this. Okay, but of course, then you must be wondering, hey, teacher, how can I know how to solve the sum of 1 to 60? Okay, so I'm going to give you another example.